Good morning, everyone. As we all know, Canada is a land of opportunities. Everybody wants to come here. Therefore, we can see people have student permit, closed work permit, and so on. Now, the important question is how they call their spouses and their children. Here comes spouse open work permit. It is very important and popular work permit because it allows you to work full time with any employer in any province. In spite of being so popular, why this visa is getting rejected? How you can apply this visa within a month without any help? Why to waste time here? Let's move on. This video has my personal experience. It took me almost 1 year to research and prepare my file. Now you will feel why 1 year. There are some important financial documents like bank statement which actually takes 1 year time commitment. I will create those videos and I will tell you how important that is. I'm creating spouse open work permit series which will have every videos. Now let's start with first video which is eligibility check. On Google search, type here IRCC login. Here, the first link is sign into your IRCC secure account. Click on that. Here it will ask if you don't have account, please go and register. And if you have account, just write your GC key, user ID and password. I already have account, so I will go with just sign in with GC key. Here it is my username and password. I will type here and then click on sign in. Most of the time it asks here your security question which you would have already entered while creating your account. Just remember all those questions. After entering the security question, it will take you to the terms and condition and then click on continue. After logging into your account, you need to start a fresh application to come to Canada. So here click on apply to come to Canada. Here if you have personal reference code, enter here and then you need to determine your eligibility. I'm applying for work permit, so I will click here on work visitor visa, study and work permit. Here those all questions to check whether you are eligible or not. Just fill all the questions. What would you like to do in Canada? It is work. How long are you planning to stay in Canada? It is more than 6 months. Select the code that matches on your passport. I'm from India, so I would write here India. What is your current country? So this is for Outland application, so right now I'm in India, so it will be India for me. If you are in Canada or any other country, just write here. Do you have a family member who is Canadian citizen or permanent residence? In my case it is no. What is your date of birth? And then click on next. Are you lawful permanent residents? No. Then click on next. I have a job offer or my employer gave me an offer of employment. No, I don't have a job. I'm in India right now. Please read all those categories. Do you plan to work in one of the following categories? So this is crew member, emergency, foreign government officer, healthcare, students. In my case it is no. Will you be coming to Canada under an active public policy? No. Now here just read carefully. Are you a spouse or common law dependent child of a person who has or is applying for a work permit or study permit? Yes. Have you recently graduated from a Canadian post-secondary institution? No. And then click on next. What is your marital status? It is married. What is your province of destination? It is Ontario. You can select whatever you want to select and then click on next. Here you can see the result is that open work permit outside Canada. So based on my information, I'm eligible to apply in that. So here click on continue. So you are almost there. This is the application from outside Canada. What type of work permit do you want to apply for? So just read all the category. In this case, it will be a work permit for a spouse, common law partner or child of a skilled worker or international student. Then click on next. Are you accompanying a family member that has status in Canada or has recently been approved to come to Canada? So yes, it is because this is the dependent application, spouse open work permit. So in this case it is yes. Click on next. Have you ever committed, been arrested? No. Click on next. Have you had a medical exam performed by an IRCC? Yes, it is most I would say prefer way if you have done your upfront medical. I have done it, so I will select yes. Do you want to submit an application for a family member? No, I'm not submitting. This is my individual family. My spouse is already in Canada. Are you giving someone access to your application? So just read this one. If you want to give the access to someone, I'm not giving access to anyone, so it is no. If you want to give, so yes, I will be appointing a representative, grant authorization for IRCC and other option. It is as per you, and then click on next. In the past 10 years, have you given your fingerprints and photo biometrics? So no. In my case, it is no. If you have given, if your visa is rejected, you have given previously, then here you just select yes. There are fees associated with this application. Will you be paying your fees? Yes, I will be paying my fees. Click on next. Are you able to make a digital copy of your documents? Yes. Click on next. Will you be paying your application fees online? Yes, I will be paying that. So those are the questions. You can review your questions, answers, and if you would want to change anything, you can change here, and after careful reading, just click on continue here. This is just steps. They are telling what you're supposed to do. Use your account, save your application, upload your documents, and the document should be in this format and it should be less than 4 MB. Just read carefully and then click on continue. So finally, we are at our document checklist. This is the page where we will get all information what you need for spouse open work permit. So here we need our application for work permit made outside of Canada, which is very important, IAM 1295. Then second important document is family information form. Here you can write about your mother, father, your spouse, everyone, your child. So this is IAM 5707, which is also very important. And third document is for temporary resident visa made outside Canada. It is telling you it is optional, but it is, if it there, just fill that form. That is IAM 5257. Those three are important form. Other than that, these all are document, passport, proof of upfront medical exam, just submit here, digital photo, proof of relationship, and client information. I would be explaining each and everything and the document as well, which document, what you should write, how you should prepare everything in my next videos. So keep watching the next videos as well. Here one more important thing. This is regarding your fees. What is your fees? Work permit fees, biometrics fees, and open work permit holder fees. If you have given your biometrics fees before, then it will be not applicable for you. So those are your fees, and this is your important page. Just have a look on that. If you want to exit this one, you can exit this one, and whenever you are logging next time, it will just take you to the review questions, and then you can directly come over here. If you watch these videos, you will not take longer time like me for research. After following these steps, I got my visa within a month. So I think your process will be quicker and faster if you follow these steps. To get more updates, please subscribe my channel. If you like it, please like and comment. You can ask any kind of questions regarding spouse open work permit through comment box. I will definitely reply as per my experience. Thank you for watching. It's Aarti Khajuria.